Students, in the previous part, we have seen that various disasters and their effects on life, on properties. Even we have seen what is disaster management, how to manage any disaster when it happens. We have seen which institutes are at work. Even we have seen some contact numbers which could be helpful to us when there is any kind of disaster. Now, in this part, we are going to see remedial and preventive measures. Remedial and preventive measures. Let us see what precautions we can take before or in the event of a natural or man-made disaster. Keep watching TV and radio news and bulletins. Use battery-operated radios and mobiles. Heed the warnings issued by the Meteorological Department carefully. Use the website www.imd.gov.in. Landslides occur in hilly areas due to a cloud burst or heavy rains. On such occasions, do not take shelter at the foot of a hill. During floods, do not linger in houses or areas on river banks. Seek shelter in other safe places. Move to safer places at a greater height. Do not step into the water currents or drive a vehicle into them. During an earthquake, road splits open. The ground cracks. Railway's track get uprooted. Hence, when moving from one place to another, ensure that the road is safe further on. Take shelter in relief camps as they provide medicines, food packets, drinking water, first aid, etc. To get protection from fire, use fire extinguishers in public places like schools, hospitals, railway stations, etc. First aid. In day-to-day life, sometimes we have to face disasters or accidents of varying proportions. On such occasions, it is necessary to give some immediate aid even before medical treatment becomes available. Such a treatment is called first aid. External bleeding. If a person is bleeding, first make him sit or lie down comfortably. Clean the bleeding part of the body with water and keep it above the level of the heart. Burns and scalds, minor burns. The injured part should be washed with water or held under water. Give the victim water to drink. Clean the wounds using a cotton swab soaked in an antiseptic solution. Do not apply oily ointment. Cover the wounds using dry dressings. Serious burns. Give emotional support. Cover the wounds with sterilized cloth. Remove jewelry, shoes, etc. if easily possible. Do not touch or burst the blisters on the skin. Do not apply oily ointments. Do not try to remove the cloth if it is stuck to the burnt skin. If the patient is conscious, give water to drink but avoid tea or coffee or other stimulating drinks. Get medical aid at once. Sunstroke. When we work in the sun continuously for a long time, the body loses a lot of water and minerals. That is the reason for sunstroke. Remedial measures. Take the patient to a cool place or in the shade. Sponge the whole body with cold water. Place a cloth soaked in cold water on the neck. Give plenty of water or liquids like sherbets to drink. If the patient feels like vomiting, make him lie prone, that is, on his or her abdomen with the head turn to one side, get the medical help, or shift the patient to a hospital. Snake bite. There are nearly 2000 species of snakes. Of these, only a few, like cobras, kraits, vipers, and sea snakes, are poisonous. Therefore, all snake bites are not fatal. Fatal means dangerous. However, fear causes severe psychological shock which can result in death. If you come across a snake, contact a Sarp Mitra rather than killing the snake at once. Remedial measures. Wash the wound with water. Give emotional support to the patient. Tie a cloth tightly above the wound. Get immediate medical help. Dog bite. In a dog bite, there is a risk of infection through the blood. Hence, first aid and medical help are necessary. Remedial measures. Wash the wound with a solution of potassium permanganate or other antiseptic. Cover the wound with a clean and dry cloth. Get a doctor's help and an injection of the anti-rabies vaccine. What we have learned. A sudden calamity is known as a disaster. Disasters can be man-made or natural. Alertness and immediate action are necessary on such occasions. Effective disaster management and use of remedial measures can help reduce the losses. Every person should know about safety precautions and first aid.